Okay, I'm gonna save you a little money and show you how to replace the headlight assembly on a BMW 530i. This is a 2006. Only thing you need is an 8mm socket or a T30 Torque, and put an extension on your socket. And if you look down there at the bottom behind your light, it's two screws that need to be loosened up. So turn it a couple of turns. You don't have to take them completely out. As you can see, I'm loosening that one up, and I'm gonna go on the other side and loosen this up. It's only those. Don't take them out. Just loosen them up. And then what you want to do is take your Torque. It's a T30, and you want to take these two screws right there at the top completely out. As I'm gonna speed this up a little bit for you. I took that one out. Then I'm gonna go to my left and take the other one out. Once you take both of those screws out, the light assembly will come out. You have to shake it a little bit, and it's like a little puzzle, but it will come out. As you can see, just shake it and wiggle it a little bit and move it up and down, and it'll come out. Then you disconnect the two connectors. One, you just squeeze it and pull it out, and the other one is a little slide. Just like that one, you just squeeze it and pull it out. This one, you just slide it down. As you can see, you probably can't get a good look at this, but push it down. It's a slide. And once it's slide, it's on a beveled edge, and it'll come right out. And that's it. And then the only thing you have to do is put your replacement in. I'm going to just zoom in here so you can look at those two screws I loosen up. You see right there, that's one of them. And the other one is right there. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching welding and stuff.